Released back in 2007 in the form of the Q6600, the Core 2 quads were born, and with it, quad-core processing on desktops. Now, the Core 2 Quad remained the top-of-the-line processors for desktops until Intel released the first Core i7 in 2009. These Core 2 Quads could still push out decent frames up until late 2018, and then disaster struck. The release of Apex Legends in February of 2019 was the first mainstream game with instruction sets that the Core 2 Quads did not support, marking the death of the relevance of the Core 2 Quads. Now these things will still push out decent frames in games today, but they're starting to be on the lower side of things now that quad cores are no longer high-end. The release of Ryzen back in 2017 created a gap for 4 cores on Intel's side to need to be pushed to 8 cores, or octa-cores. Now, these octa-cores are way overpowered for games today, but now games are starting to use more CPU over GPU. Due to this, however, now the older quad cores that used to be able to push out decent frames, in newer games coming out that are more CPU dependent than GPU dependent, they are starting to get less frames due to the fact that games now require better IPCs, more cores, more threads, just due to the fact of the new trend of higher core counts. But the fact is that new games are not going to be able to support these old instruction sets for much longer, marking the death of the Core 2 Quad. This has been a brief history of, and the death of. If you guys want me to do another the death of, and then some tech product, please let me know down in the description or the comments. If you like this video, check out other ones here. And then like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.